Is it okay to have multiple teachers? Should we avoid having multiple teachers in order to avoid confusion? Or is it better to learn what we can from different teachers? As far as Buddha Dharma is concerned, we must understand first very clearly that we are not learning something that only that particular teacher has come to know or has discovered. We are trying to learn what Buddha taught. So therefore, all teachers of Dharma are coming from the same source. They are all teaching what Buddha taught. There's nothing that they themselves only know. So therefore, if it is a genuine teacher, genuine Dharma teacher, it can't be different. There is no difference. The only difference may be a little bit the way you teach. People kind of express things slightly differently, because people are different, and that is sometimes very good, because when one teacher explains something and the another teacher explains slightly different way, maybe we can understand it much better. So therefore, there is no question of getting confused. There is no question of getting confused. I sometimes feel that those who say that you should learn only from me or my teacher, I'm not sure about their motivation. Maybe they're a little bit too sectarian or something like that. I don't know, but that's what I feel. If you look in the stories or the history of great Buddhist teachers or great Buddhist masters, both in India and also in Tibet, there are hardly any great masters who haven't studied with many great masters. So therefore, it's complete a great tradition that people learn from many teachers and from different schools, and sometimes, and also different teachers sometimes specialized in different teachings and different particular practices and things like that. So it's natural that you learn from different things. There has been many cases that particular teacher sends his student to some other teacher to learn something that that teacher is especially good or have a special experience or lineage or something like that. So it is always encouraged in Tibetan Buddhism to learn from different teachers, and especially when you are looking for a genuine teacher, or if you are searching for a teacher, a good teacher, genuine teacher, it's necessary that you have to receive teachings from various people. Otherwise, how would you know that who is better or who is more suitable to you or not, if you just keep on learning only from one person? So it is, I think, very important to be very broad-minded and not become, kind of too much sectarian and just, I have to learn only from this teacher, only from this lineage, only from this school. I think it's not really the most wise thing to do, as far as I'm concerned. So that's, thank you. It's okay also, of course there are some people who just learn from one teacher, and that's also right. There's nothing wrong, but usually it's like that.